make an approach to that waterfall. Alright, let's start Jurassic Falls on the right side, Rawson Valley. Gonna rotate here for Kayleen and Rebecca. Back in the front, Carissa and Ben. So that was Manawai Opuna, 360 feet, so 36 floors.
Is the water that's coming out of that, is that ocean water or is it clear water, like
it's
mountain
spring water? Yeah, it's coming from underground, the springs. That's Kahili Falls on the left side, Kayleen. We'll be climbing out of the valley, heading westbound for the canyons. So Ali, if you just picture like a lot of underground pools of water, and there's like a lot of veins running under the land also. So the water's just flowing through, and it has to find its way out. When it does, they form rivers and waterfalls. When it rains though, we get so much more that'll come out and play with us. A few weeks ago we had some nice winter storms that passed through, dumped a whole bunch of rain. We had so many waterfalls. I did mention this is private land. The Robinson family owns all of this. They're by far the largest landowners on Kauai. They own from the center of the island all the way down to the ocean down there on the front left side. They also own their own island. It's called Ni'ihau, a 41,000 acre island 17 miles west of this one. Bought the island for $10,000 back in the 1860s. I'll just be crossing over this first canyon called Olokele. There are no highways here because this is all Robinson property. The entire canyon is theirs.
Hey, this one's for Gabby.
Notice the color of the soil, a little reddish. Iron oxide. It's a fancy word for rust. We just crossed over the Robinson's boundary line. This is now state land. Waimea Canyon's up next. The Grand Canyon of the Pacific. And if you had a chance to drive up here yet to the canyon?
We did yesterday.
So the road you took is on the top of this ridge here on the top left side. It normally is a beautiful drive, lots of lookouts, hiking trails, campsites. I grew up camping all throughout that forest up there. There's even campsites at the bottom, so you can hike to the bottom too. The last couple of days was kind of the same way. It was blue skies over here in the morning, and kind of gets clouded in some areas.
Well, I see trees of Greenland, red roses too. I watch them bloom for me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Well, I see skies of blue, and I see clouds of white, and the brightness of day. I like the dark, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
If you look at the canyon wall in front of us, you see all these lines that run across the wall. Each line represents a separate lava flow. That is how the island was formed. One lava flow, stack it up in another one.
See friends shaking hands, singing, how do you do?
I'm going to pull right into the back corner of the canyon here, make a right turn in front of a waterfall known as Waipo'o.